Have you ever had garlic trying to grow in your kitchen counter? I certainly have. What I do with this garlic is rather than eat it, I put it in soil in the backyard, and from one clove, you can make a head of garlic. I don't grow all the garlic that I use, but I like to have some that I grow from these cloves for emergencies. So today, I'm going to show you how to grow your own garlic. Let's get to it. So we are right out here in a little bit of patch of land that I have, and I have my kitchen garlic to grow, and you want to make sure that all the paper is still in the garlic. And for this garlic to grow, you have to make sure that the garlic is organic, or at the very least non-GMO or non-genetically modified. If garlic is genetically modified, they have changed the DNA of the garlic so that it can no longer grow after one use. So you would have to either eat it or throw it away. There's certain plants that garlic do really well with and some that don't. So I'm going to focus on the ones that do, that I have growing here. This is a very small patch. It's 2 feet by about 16 feet. But you can grow a lot in a very small space. So I'm going to put this garlic by my tomatoes. The garlic will keep the pest away. And I'm also going to plant them by my bell peppers and by my lettuces. You can even plant them in pots. The main thing is that you want your soil to be nice and loose. And you don't want to plant it too deep in the soil, about 1 inch, which is about 2.5 centimeters. I'm just going to plant it right here. I'm going to plant them about 6 inches apart, which is about 15 centimeters. Not very deep in. This one definitely wants to grow. And I'm planting them around my tomatoes. Right there. And then make sure that you water them, of course, periodically, since, you just planted them. And then in about 8 months or so, you should have, if you took care of them, you should have whole heads of garlic. So there's that. I will water it in a minute. And that's it. Super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it in a pot. So here we are planting garlic in a pot. And this pot is fairly deep, but you don't need it this deep. About 10 centimeters or 6 inches deep is enough. And I have some lettuces growing here. Garlic is perfect for lettuces because, again, it will deter the bugs that would normally eat the lettuces. So perfect planting together. I was able to plant 3 bulbs here, about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters deep. The reason you know that the garlic is ready is that green leaves will start growing. You can actually cut some of them and eat them. And the way you know is because the leaves will start drying up and they'll look really brown. And no matter how much you water them, they won't turn green again. And that's kind of how you know that your garlic is ready to harvest. So normally I stop watering the garlic about a week or so after I see all the greens that have turned brown, so I don't overwater it, and I just wait a little bit and then harvest it. They like full sun, so find a place where the garlic would have the most sun in your house. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, cheers to your health.